Testing AI isn't just a new skill, it's a total brain transplant for QA engineers. Welcome to the revolution. In traditional software, input X always equals output Y. It's deterministic. But AI is probabilistic. In the world of machine learning, the model is the code. You don't write logic, you grow it from data. Which leads us to the first golden rule. Garbage in, garbage out. Testing starts with the data, not the result. Here are the core reasons why testing AI requires a completely different methodology. Reason number one, data validation. We aren't just checking fields, we're checking for bias, missing values, and representative distribution. How do you know if a prediction is correct when there is no single right answer? This is the Oracle problem. We use statistical thresholds to define correctness instead of hard-coded assertions. It's about probability, not certainty. And unlike your typical sprint, AI testing never actually ends. It's a continuous life cycle. You test during training to avoid overfitting, and you test in production to catch the silent killer, model drift. Model drift happens when the real world changes, but your model stays the same. 91% of models degrade over time. Reason number two, accuracy is a lie. If only 1% of data is fraud, a model that says no fraud is 99% accurate and useless. You need precision. How many positives were actually right? And recall, how many actual positives did you find? The F1 score balances them both. It's the standard for evaluating models with imbalanced datasets. Reason number three, non-functional testing. This is where we look at bias, safety, and robustness. Does your model perform the same for every demographic? If not, you've got a fairness bug that no unit test will find. Then there's metamorphic testing. If I rotate a cat photo, the AI should still see a cat. If it fails, it's not robust. Adversarial testing is about intentionally tricking the AI. We're probing for prompt injections and safety violations. Now let's talk about the current elephant in the room, testing generative AI and large language models. Hallucinations are the new bug. We test for faithfulness, ensuring the AI isn't just making things up. We use frameworks like RAGAS to measure how much the answer relies on real facts versus pure imagination. This requires a three-layer approach: unit evals during development, safety scans in staging, and drift detection in production. Reason number four, the new toolkit. Forget Selenium for a second. You need to learn PyTest for LLMs. Tools like DeepEval, GIScard, and TrueLens are the new industry standards for automated AI quality assurance. The skills you need: strong Python proficiency, data literacy, and a healthy dose of professional skepticism. Because at the end of the day, green builds are not luck. They are methodology, especially in AI. Reason number five, system integration. An AI model is just a component. You have to test how the rest of your app handles the model's confidence scores and edge cases. What happens if the model returns a low confidence score? Your software needs a fallback. That's a classic QA logic test applied to a probabilistic output. And don't forget red teaming. This is where you put on the hacker hat and try to provoke the AI into breaking its own safety rules. It's the ultimate robustness test. Prompt injection is a real threat. We test to ensure the system remains anchored to its primary mission and doesn't leak sensitive data. So recap, validate your data, master precision and recall, hunt for bias, and build an automated eval suite. That is how you survive the AI shift. Stop guessing and start testing. If you're ready to move from manual clicks to model audits, you're in the right place. I'm Ron Wilson. This is QA Revolution. We'll see you in the next deep dive.